Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about the touchable highlight in React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have a touchable highlight. Is a component in the React Native that provides touchable feedback when it is pressed. It is a part of the React Native library and it's often used to create buttons or the other touchable elements in your app. When a user presses a touchable highlight, it visually responds by changing its opacity to provide the feedback. Let's have a look. So here you can see when I click on press me, you can see the opacity and release. And if I go to the console, touchable highlight is pressed. Okay, let's see the code level. So here we have a touchable highlight from the React Native. So there is a handle press. Okay, so here we have a touchable highlight. So here we have a text input. So by underlay color should be light blue, and there should on press handle button. Style should be the button. Okay, button style is available over here. So this is the color when pressed, light blue, right? And this is the text that the press me part. Okay, and it is wrapped in the touchable highlight. Okay, so whenever you have a button or something, you must wrap into the touchable highlight, and so somebody knows that the button is pressed or something. Okay, if the button is once pressed, then you can add the another logic according to it. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.